So a question I get a lot is, what do I do when I go out there and training my dogs very excited? You know, a lot of times my dog's been up all day, I've been at work, and we go out and we start training, but my dog's really hard to control. Is it okay if I air my dog out and let him play a little before we get started training? Welcome to Cornerstone Gundog Academy, where you can learn to train your retriever with our online videos. And this question that we're talking about here is a great question because it's one that's a little sticky point because you're feeling a little uncertain. Is it okay to let my dog play before we get started, or should I just jump straight into the session? And what I like to do and what I recommend is, especially if your dog's been up for work all day, once you get out, as soon as you get your dog out of the kennel, make them be under total control. Get them out, make them sit, have them on the lead, and then once you have your dog completely comfortable and they're sitting and they're being obedient and they're doing what you ask them to do, then you can actually release them as long as it's safe for your dog and you're in a safe area. Release them, let them go play. And once you've let that edge get off of your dog, then you can get them back under control, do some more obedience, and then jump in the training. Now, one thing I'll caution you on is if you're airing your dog out and you're letting your dog play, don't let it play too long, because if you do, it'll burn off too much energy and you're not gonna get full focus through the whole entire training session. So just a few minutes, enough to get that extra little edge off, will really help you have more control over your dog, and it'll help your sessions go better. So again, let's recap what to do when you get out to the field. When you get out to the field, have your dog remain under control. Once you get them out of the kennel, have them remain under control. Then you can release the dog to go play. Then once your dog's burnt off a little energy, you can get it back under control, do some obedience, and then you can jump into your session, and you're gonna see your sessions improve dramatically.